Hello friends, this video is to demonstrate how to register a case or complaint in Exicom's new CRM called Pulse. First of all, we need to log in with an authorized username and password that has the access of this activity. In this video, we will cover case logging through the asset serial number, for which we need to click on Asset available under Master. This page shows all the registered asset serial number in Pulse. So first of all, we need to search the asset for which customer is complaining. Go to the new case. This action will open up a new window wherein we need to fill all the mandatory information. Asset ID was already selected by us. Site ID on which this asset is installed will come automatically. We need to select the caller's name. So now this is the name of the technician available on site. If by any chance caller's name is not available in the list, we can create it from the same window by clicking plus sign, which will redirect into a new page on which, after putting all the required information, we can create new contact. Next is the case type, which will come automatically and is dependent on the asset warranty status. For example, green flag shows that this asset is either under warranty or under AMC. Red flag shows that this particular asset is out of warranty or out of AMC. Case reason will come automatically but can be selected manually as per the requirement. Additional information will come automatically wherein in process and assigned to engineer is stating that along with the case one service appointment will be generated and will be assigned to the engineer automatically. New and open stating that the case will remain with CC team and no service appointment is required. In case customer care team is able to troubleshoot the problem online, they can close this case. Next is the case origin, the priority and the pending responsibility, whether this lies with Exicom or customer. We need to select the reported problem along with other information if required. Last is the assignment detail, which shows the service center and the detail of the engineer to whom the service appointment will be assigned. Save all the changes. This will initiate the process to log a case in system. Newly created case can be seen under call center. On clicking the newly created case, we can check all the details and can edit the details if required. Related page will show the service appointment. On clicking, this will show the further detail which is basically meant for the engineer. So that's it. Hope this video clarifies the case logging process through asset serial number. Do watch rest of the videos and know more about the other processes and tasks on Pulse. Thank you for watching.